All right, look, so you have already gone to Creative Fabrica and downloaded several fonts like I did, right? And so now you're asking yourself, how can I get these fonts over into Canva? Let me show you. Log into Canva, go to your brand, and then you have your brand kits, right? Click on brand kits and then find your business there. You should have this already. If not, do it right now. All right. So here you see Roy statements. I have my logos, my color palettes. I have a few more. Don't ask any questions while they're there. But anyway, we scroll down to the bottom and we are going to add a new font. Click upload font. Get that there. Add new. And then you're going to head back over to your downloads and find the font that you want to add to Canva. So this is highly, highly suggested. Use Creative Fabrica. It's reputable. And the fonts are commercial usage. So therefore, don't worry about the font or anything else. Use Creative Fabrica. Use the commercial free fonts and use them in your projects. If you want to sell a template, use it. You can. It's commercial. It's going to ask you, are you sure you want to upload this? We say yes, upload anyway, because, hey, we have rights to it, okay? We upload it, and boom, bam, it is there in our uploaded fonts right there at the top. Add another one just for fun, right? So scroll on down. I have another Halloween-themed font. I'm going to select one of those, choose the one that I want. We're going to open it. It's going to import it in Canva. Please confirm the following. We click yes, upload anyway, because you know what? We have commercial usage. It uploads that font to Canva. So therefore, all the fonts that you upload are there. When you go to your brand kit, choose the brand that you're using for said project, and all of those fonts will be found under that brand within the brand kit. Let me know if this helps you or not. I'm able to add more information. Bye.